welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to fix network connection lost error on ChatGPT. As you can see guys, same error are also facing. So finally I have got the easy and simple solution to fix this error. So let's get started one by one. Okay, so when you're facing this type of problem, any network error on the ChatGPT, at that time you need to first check your internet connection. So if the internet connection is not good, at that time you can definitely 100% face this kind of problem error. To check your internet is working properly or not, you need to open any application like YouTube or browser and browse your internet and check how your internet is performing. In case the internet is working very perfectly fine on other app, only you're facing the error in the ChatGPT, at that time you can try the next method. Now what you need to do, you need to update your app. To update the app, on the Play Store. If you're using iPhone, open the App Store, and here simply you need to search ChatGPT. Okay, and then update the app. After updating, it will fix your problem. One more thing you need to check guys, you need to check your phone's date and time. If the phone date and time setting is incorrect, you need to correct this. Open your phone setting, go to general management, and here guys you need to find out date and time setting, and just you need to correct your date and time setting. If you are using any third-party VPN on your phone, you need to also disconnect it. To disconnect it guys, you need to open once again phone settings, go to connection, go to more connection. From here you need to find out VPN. If the VPN is connected, you need to disconnect it from your phone, and then now open the ChatGPT app. Now it will work perfectly fine. Let's see how it's work. As you can see guys, the ChatGPT is now working very fine. In case the ChatGPT is not working, at that time you need to reset your app. To do this guys, you need to tap and hold on your ChatGPT app, go to app info like this, go to storage, clear the cache, and then clear the data of this app. After clearing the data, it will delete your all data and log out your account from the ChatGPT. Okay, and then restart your phone one time. After restarting, open the ChatGPT and then browse the ChatGPT. Now it will definitely fix the problem error on your app. In case still you're facing the same type of problem, what happens sometimes guys, sometimes the server was down from the OpenAI. At that time guys, you need to wait for a few minutes and then try to use the ChatGPT. At that time it will fix your problem. Okay, so these are the easy and simple method to fix this problem. So hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to Smart Tech Junction for more useful tech tips. Catch you in the next one.